Dobbs.
Whoa, yo, what's up? Stingham John here. What's going on?
Look at this, Dobbs. From Sunday, trading at the highs. And I don't know if I'm sharing the right chart.
Let's see. I'm on a 15-minute, 20-day.
I gotta lower down the volume on this TV. TV's loud. Here we go.
I'm on a 15-minute chart, 20-day. That's what I can see.
We've been sweeping high, sweeping low, Dobbs.
So you gonna look at the 15-minute, or what are you gonna do?
I'm just putting a range from Sunday. So if you look at Sunday's range, like Monday, we're trading all at the highs. We traded all in the range of the highs. And then going into Thursday and Friday, look how we start losing the highs here and selling off.
Yep.
And then the next week, our range started, and we started again at the highs. Yet we started selling off some more.
Yep.
Now this week right here, this is actually a new week right here. So let's see how this correlated, right? Well, no, this is the same week. So this is Monday, this is Friday, right? This is the range. And we're trading at the lows. The problem with this week is that holiday. This holiday I was up there. And then today, this week, this is what we're looking at right now. And this is 1 week, 2 weeks. This is 3 weeks. This is a problem.
Yep.
But there's certain things in here that kind of make it seem like there's something going on. What we got, Dobbs? This is what we got. We got this low. We got a lower low. And a higher low. So that's what we're looking at right there. And let's say that into Tuesday.
But that's not the first time we've had higher lows, though. So
actually, if you look at the whole week, right? Like look at this Monday, right?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is you don't want to put too much emphasis on that higher low because we've had higher lows.
No, what I'm saying is like
there's right here, there's higher lows.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is by Tuesday, before Tuesday is that by date and time we made a lower low.
Yep.
Right here, this is Tuesday, the bottom of the week. Did we make did we make any lows? Yeah, we kind of consolidate. But look, this is the end of the week right here. And we made a new low, right? Right?
Yep.
So
on that week, we consolidated.
It's the last week. Monday, right? Tuesday made the low, right? So this is kind of what we did this week. We made a high on Monday. Actually, yeah, we made a high on Monday. We made
which was over here was Monday. So we made the high over there.
Yeah, right here. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. So this is the high on Monday.
See, which is different what we got right now because we made a high on Monday.
Yeah, but look, Tuesday we made a high, we made the low, and what we end up doing? Trading underneath that high. So if you look at it like this,
it's half back. Yeah.
We didn't get above half back.
Of
that is kind
of what? Monday or Tuesday?
That's Monday. If Tuesday was the low of the week.
This
right?
is Monday. Remember, we look at Monday range.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that look at the.
So what did it do? It held half back, swept Monday range to the high side.
Yeah, but look how high we traded in the range.
Failed it.
Look how high we traded in that range.
I know, but I'm just saying, let's look at Monday range. Monday range. Okay, so it swept the high side. I just want to do this for the low, high, halfback sweep to the high side, and then where are we going? We went to the other side.
Yep.
Okay, so let's see what it does the following Monday.
So right here on this Monday, we did. This is the high.
So now it's different. Now we got a high.
I need to mark it up. Sorry.
And a low.
And we failed. We didn't even go half back.
We didn't even get to half back.
No.
They just sold it.
So let's look at this week what we're possibly doing. Actually, this. Well, this is at the end of the week, so this is just continuation.
All right, so now we got a low, we got a high. Guess what? They failed fucking half back. That's why it did what it did today.
Let's see. Yeah, we should have held here. So we got the high from Monday.
Low,
Why can't I get
high,
online?
half back.
We got this high,
Yep.
this low,
And this is half back.
and that's half back right here failing.
So what's it supposed to do? It's supposed to sweep the low. Did we not do that? Yep.
And we
Sweep the
can
low.
possibly just continue down. Now, when we failed that low of Monday, let's look at that Monday fail. It's a very dangerous area that right now.
I think they're hiding the sell. They're hiding the sell off. They're trying to.
That's the low right there. When we failed the low on Tuesday, just continue to go. All right.
Yeah.
Let's see when they failed the range here. You know, this Monday's low right here. Actually, look, that's Monday's low. That's why I came back. That area is Monday's low.
Actually, this is Monday's low.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Sorry. So let's do it like that. Because that's why I went up there.
Because we were at the low.
No, look, Monday, right? It should have been halfback right here then Wednesday. That's the halfback.
Yep. So what do? They double tapped the high side.
High, low, halfback. Failed.
So they double tapped. All right.
It looks pretty bad. Monday low, high, went back to halfback. Held halfback and then took off. And then failed the highs. Popped up though.
This is Monday high right here though. It's Monday high. So
yeah,
this is Monday high right here though.
And then it went to halfback on Tuesday.
You're right.
And then it did it again. So it popped.
Yep. Double dipped.
Right.
Double dip. DD. Double dip.
And then you had a high on Tuesday.
Yep.
And then you had the halfback right here.
Yep.
God damn it. Now, do we have that same scenario right now, though? Do we have the same scenario? High? No, we're it's in trouble. High, low, and halfbacks right here.
Yeah, it's in trouble.
We're taking out halfback.
Yep.
We just took out halfback. We gotta make a new low. That's a dangerous chart right there. Actually.
But we got to count the legs. So now we got to go back and count.
Yeah, because this is weird. If you really look at it, that's still Monday's play right here. So did we make is this? Nah, regardless, look, it's not setting up right. This is Tuesday. We didn't make a new high.
Nope. So we got low, high, halfback, sweep, which it says sweep, the low.
Yeah, that's all we have. We have that kind of move. So we got to go back down somewhere. Now, can we do, let's see, can it do this?
Hang on a minute. You got a 200 EMA on your yearly you've got marked down here. So.
Yeah, it bounced right there. That's where it bounced.
But it can sweep it and then come back. So I don't know if it's done that. Have you seen it do that? I would imagine it probably does.
Let's look at it real quick.
I would imagine it does.
I'm gonna add it real quick.
This probably got to sweep it because I mean everything's got to sweep and then reclaim. So.
Do I have a yearly event? I know I have a yearly one.
You just do a regular EMA and then set it for the yearly
You can do
moving
it
average.
exponential. You could set that for yearly.
Yeah,
Nah, you can't set that for yearly. There's only one that sets it for yearly.
200. The 200.
Yeah, but you can't.
Yeah, but set it for the 200. You're gonna set it for the 200, not the 9. The
Nah,
length.
so you need one that reflects the yearly. I got one that reflects the yearly. Daily.
Huh?
Watch. There it goes. This will reflect the yearly. Should have reflected the yearly. So I'll use these damn indicators. There it goes right here. See? So that one shows the yearly.
Okay.
So that's the yearly bounce that we had. So maybe it's a cat bounce right here. Because look where it's headed. So we're
Like a
definitely
double bottom.
We're definitely come back down there. It
Like
looks good. I mean, why wouldn't it come down there right now?
Right. I mean, make a double bottom. I'm sure there's more orders down there. They didn't get all of them. But is this our crossover on the 200 to the downside?
If it goes right through it, then we got targets to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
We have a target at. Okay, let's go to the thing. And this could get aggressive, actually. And there's no saying right now that this isn't gonna go see a 200, and there's no saying that's gonna hold that 200. But I think it does go see a 200 again. Does it go underneath? I'm not really sure. At that point, I wouldn't be selling there.
Right.
So let me show you why the targets we have actually match up with that 200 right now. And it's probably going to hit now that I look at it. Number 2. There you go. So this is us on the yearly. All right. That's us on the yearly. And we cannot get above this high. We also can't get above this halfback. And this is the monthly halfback. But our low is down here for the weekly. Can we come back to the low? Can we come back and sweep down there? Now that is at 39.53. The yearly is at 39.49. And we're below these lows. And look at this candle. This candle rejected halfback. This candle is rejecting halfback today. So if we're sweeping the lows and we're not holding that low, it's a possibility that we're going to go back right down to here, 39.51. 39.55 area and hit that moving average on the daily.
55, imagine that. 24, 55, and 96.
96 to 55.
Yep.
96 going to 54.
Yep.
It sounds like it right now.
55's halfback, pretty much.
Exactly. And there's a weekly halfback down there that it bounced off of. Now, if we don't stop there, we got targets all the way down.
Yeah.
We got these targets. We got this low right here to sweep and a high. So this little area is going to be it. And this kind of reminds me of that play up here, I think, when it hit here, that it bounced. And here, right, where was it? I think it was here. It was literally here. We have been in the same price forever. That it was like a high right here, this high and this low. Like they were hitting those highs and lows. Like right here, we hit a high and we hit those lows at the same time and bounced up. Big orders probably here. Probably to take it long from that high and that low, and also take out liquidity from these guys that were long. And right there, it hit. The only problem we have is look at the date. That's the only problem we have. When we were at the lows on the 30th, we're now at the lows and it's 28.
But now we're at halfback though. It's different.
Yeah, are they gonna sell the low right now? If that's the
Where-
low, are they gonna sell it? That's the problem we have.
So let's look at date. We're at the low. Now we're at look at date. We're at halfback. We got low. We got high.
Yeah, so it's the halfback a low now.
Now you got the halfback.
Yeah, are we gonna sell until we get to the, or are we gonna go up to this halfback? That's the problem. The halfback's up here at 70.
Oh, monthly halfback. Yeah, but I'm just saying of the structure though.
No, that's a monthly halfback right here.
Yeah, we're at halfback. So
So the highs we traded here at the highs for so long, they might have this plotted down that they're just gonna rip it up. And it's looking like a sell, but there's another thing now. It's right here. So are we gonna sell tonight? Possibly. We are gonna sell. We're gonna sell.
You think?
Yeah. We're here. We're right here. You see this area right here? We're right here. We did a green candle. These two green candles. We did these two green candles off the drop, right? We did a drop. One,
two green candles.
One,
Yeah.
2, 3, right? Off the top. We actually took out a low here. We took out this low. Finally, we took out all these lows here and then took let's say 1, 2, 3. Took out that low. See how we took out all those lows? This candle took out all those lows. So that's the first red, second, third, right? We're in this area right here. And then we had a pop-up candle. Boom, pop-up. At our second pop-up candle. Boom, pop-up candle.
Yep.
Not that big. Then we have this candle. We have this candle, and then we have this candle right here. Boom. We got a red, a green. But the point with this candle is that, look, halfback hit, go to halfback. We didn't go to, well, that day we did go all the way to highs because we went to halfback on this day. And now we're doing this day right here. We took out that low.
Yeah.
As you see right here. Took out that low. That is an issue. The fact that we took out that low is saying that when we take out lows, you see how we didn't take out any of these lows? But when we take out a low, like to the downside, is this candle. So if we took out a low, can we have a continuation to make this candle? Because we still need a candle that goes down, then we need one that goes up and then does this. We need something that goes down, goes up, and then does this.
The last down candle has to hold.
Yep, right there. Has that. We don't have that yet.
No.
We're still, even though we're consolidating, because look. So let's look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But how many candles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles before we got. But the time is the only problem. Yep, the time is the only problem that we're coming into before. After the 30th, they got bought. So look, this is a weekend, then after starting the 3rd, 4th, 5th. And we're already rolling into a month tomorrow. So can that possibly still be a scenario that we make this candle low, it stops here, because this is the stop of it. We made a new low like this one. Can tomorrow be a big green candle?
So we need this going in tomorrow, and then they can start.
They could start buying it up.
Start buying.
Because after the 30th, they started buying it up. And that's the same thing I've been talking about.
Yep.
So if they set the low, we should be having a halfback that covers up, that holds up. As of now, we don't have this. So can this candle have a big wick? Can we have one candle that has a big wick down, then back up? Yes.
But you had two down candles too.
Yeah. This is the problem though. We took out a low though. So we take out a low, they're still expecting downward movement. And they could flip it though.
Yeah, well, I mean that one took out a low though.
But let's say
this first one right here took out the low. It wicked and took out the low.
Now what I'm saying is a closing candle. So this candle closed lower. See how this candle's closing lower than all these lows?
Yeah.
This is the only candle that closed low.
Yeah.
But we could possibly still wick in this candle and then come back up. That's why I'm thinking
But
maybe
look though, is this candle going to close below this low?
it's already closed.
So I'm saying it's below it. So it's
Yeah,
already did it. It already did it.
Yeah, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they're just gonna buy it. I mean, they could buy it.
That just means that we got to be mindful of this level right here, because if
Yeah.
it gets above there, then
Well, I mean, we're looking to, if our setup, you know, if our setup works,
70, and we're already above there right now. And after hours, we're already above there.
and that's dangerous.
We're already above that price.
Yeah, but the problem with it is that the problem with it is when you go back to this. So this, you know, that's why I went to the yearly. That it still looks like downward movement because of this. Now let's take the scenario of this. Let's take the scenario of this. Right? Right now, what do we have? High. Oh, I can't believe it did that. I can't stand when it does that. It drives me insane, Dallas. So let's take the scenario of this. Oh no, you don't. Oh yeah, you do. Trying to put the okay. Let's take the scenario of this. High.
Yep.
Now is this the low for Tuesday? Is that the low?
We may not be, because
I mean, is that the low right now?
It doesn't have to be Tuesday though. That's the thing. It could be London. It could be London open in the morning.
Or high. I mean low, right? High. Right now, we're structurally failing halfback.
You're under Sunday open, which I think that needs to be a marker too, because here's the thing: if we get above Sunday open price, we're gone, because we're early in the week. Yes, we're early in the week, so Sunday open price. If we get above there,
we're doing it a little bit different because Monday usually set the low. Look, this week, Monday set the low. Actually, Tuesday didn't do nothing. This was a old sell-off day.
Monday was the high.
And Monday was the high. So this is the highs of Monday. Well, this is the high of Monday.
Yeah, that was the high.
And then we took our own low.
Monday, yes.
We did everything on Monday.
Monday, yep.
And it kept going.
Yep. Because of Friday, of Friday's range.
But this was also a holiday, so they sold into that holiday.
Yeah.
And after that holiday, look, Tuesday, continuation, and then Wednesday was the low. So, I mean, realistically, if you look at this right here, there was no bounce in this play for this week. If you take that Monday, right, and I don't even know when they set the low. The low was, this thing was.
Thursday for the week. It was Thursday.
Yeah, this was done all week. This thing was basura.
So that's why we gotta. There's a progression on what days make the lows. So you need to start marking that too. So Thursday made the low that week.
This week was kind of like what we're looking at right now, but
see, and Friday made the low here. So see the progression.
This is the difference though. Low on Monday, high, and then we made a new high on Tuesday. So if we're making a new low, it's the opposite of this. So let's see. Let's see. We go up, right? We made a new low. Do we come back up to halfback? I think this is the play right here. That's probably what it's going to do. It's going to go up and then reject. Because here it was bullish into the end of the week. If you see this was actually very bullish. If you really think about it, this was bullish. You know, all we did was go up, right? But we made that. When we did this move, into that report, came back into it, we held halfback.
Yeah, but you're holding Friday's high. That's the difference. I don't think we're holding Friday's high right now.
Let's see. I think we are still above Friday. Oh, no, we aren't. We're below it.
Which is totally different.
But we're way below Friday's high.
Exactly.
So can they make a new low or make a new high? We still haven't made a new high then. And realistically, we're just I don't know. It's kind of hard to say you're going to sell these lows.
Well, we didn't take out this high. We made a lower high.
Let's see how it looks like that.
This is we got a double top with a number 3. So that's I mean, that tells me right there that
it's lower.
We should be going lower.
Yeah, right here.
At least take out, sweep the low, probably hit this target that we got right here.
And we might bounce and hit these lows and definitely hit the yearly. Well, tough one right here. I mean, for a swing trader, I guess. I don't know. I think we play with what it's doing.
Well, okay. Now let's look at our London close range, because this is our London close range, right? We failed the top.
Yeah, it's going to swing the low now.
We're at halfback, so can it pop up? Yeah, but if it slices through like butter, we know that London close range bottom right here is in play, right here.
Yeah, we're already below it. So say that we fail here, it's going down to the next range box to the downside. And if it goes down there, it's not saying that if we hit the top boxes.
I think this is what we got to be playing. This is the range, because we're inside this range right here. We ain't moved since Friday. Yeah, we went above it, but I think we got to do that same move to the downside. Whatever this move was right here, projection, that's what we got to do to the downside.
All right, let's do the what you call it too. So let's do, this is important, I think, as well. I think that range, that if we break up to the top side or bottom side of that candle is the key too. And we're below it, so look where it's gonna pop up to, Dobbs. We're failing halfback right now. We're at halfback of this range. So we are meant to break out. That's gonna be the key right here. Look where we're at. That is key right there. Let's see what happened on that Monday. This Monday. And that's probably what held it down too, Dobbs. You know that, right?
Yep.
The range to the top side. It probably could never break above it.
Yep.
And then once it broke below it, it broke out. It's the weekly one that we have to be more cautious of. Let's look how it looks for the rest of the week with that. Because the fact that we're sweeping back down underneath it, I think that weekly one is the one that matters the most. There it goes, breakout. Wick to it. And hit the range to that side. So this week, how we're looking at it right now, oh, that's tough. We swept the high, we should sweep the low, Dobbs. That's how it's looking. Why are we up here and we can't go nowhere? Now we're below it. We try to go below it, can't above it, try to hold it. Failed here, now we're below it. Failing right here until it close. We failed this halfback that we never tested. We should be going sweeping the downside. And we could sweep underneath this 200. That 200 is just a line.
Yeah.
Let's see what it did that last week. This
area.
This 3 weeks. Let's see what it did here. Now that's why I say that this looked like a breakout period. I think because once it got above that, it was taking off. Let's remove some of these lines. Let's do that range right here. And let's see when it gets back in the range from that close. I bet you it goes back by the end of the week too. Right there, it started breaking out, right? Let's see if that makes any sense. Let's see when it starts sweeping under. I think I got that right. So look, we held the low, Came out, broke out. That's Monday, right? Came back to the top of it. Came back to it, and then we started breaking underneath. This is where we're at right now. And look how it matches up with London's close. And we're doing it into a Tuesday, Dobbs. All right, back to halfback. And halfback right here. And then we start sweeping the downside. Look, this is literally what we're looking at right now. Yeah, we're going to sweep the downside, Dobbs. Swept all the way down here. Going into Friday, look where we went. Yeah, Dobbs, this thing's looking like it's gonna make new lows. One, two, three. 1, 2. Three into Tuesday. It did the same range to the bottom side, Dobbs, to the week as it did to the top side.
Right.
Look at that. It did it all the way down to the downside. And it looks pretty much like it traded inside those ranges right here. Look into the next week. So we challenged this area right here, right? We went to this area into Friday, and we went all the way down to 58 on that Friday. Yeah, dogs. It looks like we're gonna go lower because it's early in the week. Now it's also depending where London closed and all this stuff is at too. But right now it's kind of looking bad. And London's close is up there. We're past 10 points of it too.
Yeah, we're way past London close. I got 39.84.
39.84, and we're at 39.69. It's more than 10 points.
84.50. Yeah, it's over 10.
Yeah, it's all this shit. This is not gonna hold up right here.
It's out of range.
Yeah, it's completely out of range.
But can they try to get it back in range? I guess it's possible.
This is the first attempt at halfback though, too.
So they could pop it back to London close.
They could pop it back up here.
I mean, I ain't gonna say they can't. I mean, 70, 80, that's 14. They can do 14.
The difference between this week and
they're still within range. They can do 14.
We just go out of range and just continue to go. Yeah, we went out of. Well, no. We play with the top side, Dobbs. That's it. When we go back to that halfback, it usually just goes down. I mean, look right here. But we got to be underneath it too. Oh, that we're not. Yeah, that we're not. But that looks like this day right here.
Yeah. Well, Tuesday was at the low.
So this is the high
of Friday's range. We're not there yet, I don't think, are we?
What?
On Friday's range?
Yeah, we're in the range.
No, we ain't hit low of Friday's range. There, that was already hit the low of Friday's range.
No, the low's down here, 39.54.
Yeah, 39.54 is where we need to be going.
Yeah, that's probably the direction right now. Yeah, this thing's way overshot right now. So if we were to set up for tonight, I mean, this candle's humongous, and we're way below it. Way below that candle. That candle looks crazy right now. Yeah, that range look crazy, though. But we're at the bottom of the range again.
But we ain't left no 30-minute halfbacks either. So
it looks like we're going to test what's called down. Halfback and stage and
let's see, there's one, there's two. Touch that one. So that resets. They got that one. They touched that one.
What's London's code? What?
And we're below London's open. Think about it.
They did another thing too, though, Dobbs, today. Look at the 1500 candle. All of this was after the market ended. So this could be a squeeze. That's a huge box right there. Unless somebody got real heavy at the close, it got out of range completely. But that doesn't necessarily mean somebody probably went long completely. Yeah, somebody probably went long completely, and then
because we're at the low of the day, they're probably buying. Think about it. Options is buying.
Yep, and they sold it, so it's gonna go down, so they lose. All right, Dobbs, I am done for the night.
All right. You trading tonight or no?
Nah, nothing. I'm trying to rest. Getting tired.
I got you.
We already hit the range on the bottom side too. That's bad right there, Dobbs. We're at the low of London close range, you know that, right?
Yeah.
They're gonna send it right back into the range.
I mean,
it could just continue. It's a tough one. It's a tough one right there. The range is tiny, but the overall range for the week is staying down. So it could just continue to sell. Unstoppable.
I think that 67, 68 area is probably our line for tonight.
All right, Doug. I am done for today. I will catch you in the AM.
All right, later.
Later.